Hey everybody, this is Dave back with Little Big Workshop here. As you can see in my money value, I have over $1.1 million, and let's get rid of that. Alright, so I am going to plan a huge build because this is going to be definitely rebuilt to accommodate all the major constructions and to really get some flow into this because a lot of stuff is all over the place. We have metal production and plastic production, wood. I want to try and get everything kind of more situated to the point where it will be more storage up front where these truck lines are and where it flows in downwards. It's like wood processing. Metal would be kind of in the middle here. Metal processing, such as extruding, sheet rolling, form pressing, all the other stuff, metal bending, everything would be flowing downwards to get to the assembly area here. It's going to be a complicated build. I'll probably do it in parts, but really right now I want to get everything moved out. So I'm going to delete all these export zones and storage zones as starting, like just starting that back because I want everyone to move all the stuff in one location. Or I might sell and just rebuild them because I think that'd be easier than finding them than just to rebuild them. Because honestly, that would be just like difficult to find what item I need at the right time, so I'm just gonna sell everything. I'm gonna do one room at a time, let the workers get over here. Because all the rooms have to be resized too, and to do what I need them to do. That one. Alright, let's get people over there. Also gonna sell the break area stuff. I'm gonna leave one standard break room. Get a stable, guys. Alright. I got money to do whatever I want. One thing I'm worried about is building myself into a corner. Like, I don't want everything to be jammed in there. I want it to be flowing like it should. Well, these things do milling. I was wondering that. I'm gonna leave this break room here right now. Okay, that room's done. Alright, just get rid of everything. We got this room here they can do. Billboards, I keep getting confused where the cell sign is. That break room too. Now this is the tricky part. I want to leave the workstations for the assemblies here for now, just to see what I can do. To see if they'll fit. If not, I'll have to move them over. I just definitely want to sell off the welding stations. I'll shrink this in. this room over here. I set this room. Alright. Get rid of this. Now, I'm gonna build out here. Oh, I need a door. Now I know rent's gonna skyrocket on me, but I got money to spare on that. And also the fact is, if it's more efficient, I'm gonna be making more money, so that's something. Okay, apparently it won't let me take a phone call. Oh, because I got this on. Really, I am not taking orders. That way. Let's go from here. Nope. Just go straight from here. Okay. Now let's get them building. It's gonna take some time. Where are you? Okay. Okay, now the top rooms up here are being used for storage. There are going to be a break room here and there, but mainly storage rooms and to keep stuff for storage. Okay. Just have that there. So this will be another storage room here. Oh, I should put that down. I don't want it to cross the door, so that she's better there. I'm gonna go on regular mode, time speed. See, you do another one here. Okay, let's get a door here. Okay, they're still working on those. Alright, so our storage there. Just delete that real quick. I don't want any shelving or zones in an area that I haven't approved yet. Now let's take out this wall. is kind of off center, so we're gonna take that wall out as well. And like we'll get rid of those doors here too. Alright, let's just advance the time frame. Okay. So now the thing is, well, these that need to go too. Okay, I don't know what's going on here. Bulldoze. Okay, this is supposed to be a storage area. Now we'll just sell that. On that speed just so I can see what I'm doing real quick. Alright. Got the storage area here. Got an area here. We got an area here. I don't know why. Oh, there's this piece missing here. Okay. How's the building going? Now the key thing with this room and this room, I want them to be used for metal processing, metal and plastic, like specifically those big machines, because I want them, like, all the raw materials to flow in this way, and all the storage materials to be stored first and then to be processed to wood, and then I'll have wood, like say sawing, metal processing, kind of this will be area will be kind of like those particle manipulators, like a lot of the tables, and then kind of flow into extra storage areas, and then finally be produced in the assembly area. That's the goal. I gotta see how to fit it though. I'm gonna keep these break tables as they are right now. So let's just plan some stuff out. And I want each zone to have a shelving line for their products. And only one shelving lane for their out products. For metal, it'll be metal, plastic, and foam injection. So I want 6 of these. Okay. Now I want the plastic injectors. Same thing, 6. These are small, so they'll fit. Just do back to back. Alright, and then over here we can do the injection ones. I think that's the plastic injection press, the foam injection. Okay, robot testing. There they are. Oh, that's the wrong one. Okay. Now let's order all that. $59,000 worth. We need the billboards to cover them. So do them on this wall. Order those. And then here we start to do our outflow zones. Now on this side of the wall, we can put some decorations. So it's 176 mood. We really gotta figure this out. Do a plant. Alright, that's good. Now let's order all this in. Now, tie this to the billboards. Once these are planted, I'll tie them to the billboard. Like that. Now let's tie these to the billboard. Okay. Now we'll check the snail process. Not too much overlap. Over here is a little crazy. I can slide these down a little bit and do the same so that they'll have less overlap space, which I could do that. Oh, that's a sort Q. So bad right here, but I still want to move these over a little bit. Just 2 squares. Give them a second to move those. That looks like a good room. Now, this room, I want to use this room for the machines for the plastic and the foundry. I want to use these. Wood's going to come in through here. Like wood storage will come in through here, flow down, get all our wood cutting. This will kind of be all our metal big processing stuff. And then here will be our big clonk factories. They'll be here. And then, like I said, metal processing will be in this region here. And then everything will flow back into the assembly areas. With wood, since it's going to be over here, there'll be kind of mini storage areas here and there to move stuff over. But honestly, they're going to be like, that's the main walking for them. So we're going to do metal foundries. Alright, that's obstructing the wall. Can I do them in the middle of the room? Because I'll do the plastic ones too in the same room. Or maybe 2 of each. Okay, where's the plastic foundry? There it is. No, not you. Okay. That's it. The advanced injection. Really? That's it? That's the advanced injection press? Alright, never mind. Let's cancel these. I need those anyway. But I can put more of the bigger foundries. Let's put them back to back like the way I was gonna do them. We'll do them vertical now. Okay, because I still want the import zone on the sides. So then we'll put the advanced injection press. I want 4 of these. We'll put these on the wall. Put the other 2 on the other side of the wall. Okay. Now this will be our storage zone for input. And we need some decoration so it's not negative 239. Negative 94. At negative 64. 16. Alright, plus 41. It's green. Alright, let's order all that. And let's put the zone. We'll do one shelf. Alright, we need our billboards as well. Oh, I got one billboard here. What do you do? There's mini zone here. Let's see, was that enough space? So, tie this there. We need our other billboard. Made. Now I'm going to delete this door. Like, mainly because the fact is I don't want them going in and out of this area. I don't think that'll let me do it. There's still a space of the wall right here. I don't know what's going on. Can't delete that because it's gonna create a gap there. Yeah. Alright, these guys are still building, so they'll get to that piece eventually. Alright, waiting for this land to be built. Okay, obstruction-wise, they got some clear path to and from the door. They're not gonna be tripping over stuff, like they got a slight walking area. You see it's still the brownish color. Here's a little tight. I might make this another little side storage room. The zone cannot be placed outside. They have door going here. Alright. Who's building this area up? Now, this land, I want to build those big clock machines. A lot of them are final products for the machines. So anything basically like, because that's why I want these to be close enough to the assembly area, because they are going to be like plastic pieces and forged pieces that will have to be assembled and stuff. So it's good to have the materials flow straight in and then go down straight into assembly areas to be stored. Anything else will go in through here, like wood, metal bars and sheets that get extruded and wood pieces that need to get cut. They'll be coming in through this. I might put another loading area here just to keep an eye on it. That way stuff will go where it needs to be, but I want to kind of like capitalize on the area of the loading dock. So if I know it's a wood product, I want it all the way over here. If it's more metallic, I want it here, because it's going to be starting wood processing in this area. I'll go through this storage and then in here, or in this storage. Anyway, it'll be here close enough where people go in and out. So that's the idea of that. Let's get the clock machines built. I want what I had last time. I want 3 of each. That's a foundry. Do these on the wall, because this will be kind of my storage area. Let's put you right next to each other. I don't care. A little space, it's fine. Alright, I want to see something. Alright, definitely have an out shelf. I got more shelves here, okay. I was looking for, think of these, like, did I put a storage area shelf? I got 2 little shelves here, and another one there. Okay, so let's do our storage shelf. I'll put it here because they're going to build on that section in a little bit. Actually, this will be the, because it's coming in, this will be the import one here. Actually, I'd rather have the import one here. This will be the out one, because it's going to go out through this door. But instead, let's actually move a clock machine over here. Then we can put the storage out there. That makes more sense. Let's wait for them to drop them. Yeah, so I put decorations up too. Let's see, how bad is it? 2983? Yeesh. Alright. Alright, so I want you here. Then I want, this will be my import zone. Should be able to get 2 shelves on that. Like I said, anything coming off here for extra storage, all perfectly fine. If not, they can put them here. Oh. we'll get that soon once we get the billboards. Alright, and I said this will be our out shelf. We'll just do one so we're not causing too much obstruction. Stuff moves fast, so we don't have to worry about too much. Oh, it's at the door. Okay, so got that. Let's get the billboards. Right there. I can't put it by the door. I can put it over there. One of those. Okay, and let's do our machines. Alright. Oh, because that's being moved. One, two, three. And you. One, two, and three. Okay. Now, tricky part, decorations. We're gonna put some stuff in the middle of the floor, but to try and keep it for not gonna trip over each other. We got some good floor space. So, put a couple of these maybe.
Oh.
Do a water cooler. And the fan. 138. 93. Remove 2. Let's get a cactus. And another plant. Here we need to be green. A brighter green. They're going to be at least above 50. Alright, it's not going to be obstructing too much. Okay, let's check the constructors. They are working still. Alright, now we're back to my 1.1 million that I already started with, and I still got a lot to do still. I want wood cutting here. I want metal processing. This is going to be stored here. It's going to be a lot of wood cutting. I want my particle accelerators somewhere, or particle manipulator somewhere over here. I want this kind of be all my wood processing. Oh, gluing and sewing as well. There's gonna be a lot to do. I'm gonna cut this episode short. Well, it's already been an hour, but you know, we'll take care of that in part 2. All right, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope this factory comes out even better.